Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add number list or numbering in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and dragging your mouse, select your text area A onto number. Now here you will find this number list option. Click this number list triangle and you can choose any of this number list. This one. This is Roman numeric numbering. Also you can change this numbering. You can choose this numbering. Also you can change this one. Yeah, in this way you can add various numbering. Also you can change this numbering color, red color. Also you can decrease size or increase. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.